Yeah, let's solve this problem. I hope I'm audible to you clearly, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us solve this problem. Chlorine is used as a disinfectant in a municipal water treatment plant. It achieves 50% of disinfection efficiency measured in terms of killing the indicator microorganisms. E. coli. What is E. coli?
Sir, it's used as an indicator,
Okay.
uh, which gives idea about the presence of
Harmful microorganisms.
organisms in the uh, mixture.
Good. Good. E. coli stands for Escherichia coli, and it is not harmful actually. But if it is present, we can say there are harmful microorganisms also present.
Yes, sir.
So it's one of a recent question. Uh, Chlorine is used as a disinfectant. It achieves 50% in 3 minutes. Minimum time to achieve 99% efficiency. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first we have an equation as we discussed yesterday. What's that equation? Sixth law of disinfection. What it is? Nt is equal to N naught into 1 minus E power minus KT. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Efficiency means upon N naught. That is, N naught means the total number of microorganisms initially and how many are removed. In given time t, how many are removed? Is it N naught minus Nt
Yes, sir.
into 100? Now, N naught minus Nt, how can I write Nt?
And not e power minus kt.
Upon N naught into 100. Can I cancel out N naught?
Yes, sir.
N naught, N naught, N naught, when I'm taking it common, it will be cancelled. 1 minus E power minus KT into 100.
Right.
Disinfection efficiency, you can directly remember this as a formula. What it
Okay,
is? Eta equal to 1 minus E power minus KT into 100. Okay.
okay, sir.
Now let's take eta 1 upon eta 2. What is eta 1? First initial efficiency is how much?
50%.
50. How much is required efficiency?
99%.
99. 1 minus E power minus K into initially how much is the time taken?
Yes.
3 upon 1 minus E power minus K into T. Or else let's do one thing. From this 50 equal to 1 minus E power minus 3K. From this find K. What happens then? Minus E power minus 3K equal to 1 if it goes to that side, left side. What happens then? 50 minus 1 is 49. Minus 3K or else, yeah. First, if I'm taking this minus to this side, it will be minus 3K is equal to ln minus 49. What it is? Tell me. Natural log of minus 49.
Sir, sir, it is, sir, my calculator is showing math error.
Pardon?
So my calculator is giving it as math error. Log minus.
Some error. Okay. Okay, there is some error. Okay. Uh, we'll do one thing. 1 minus e power minus 3k equal to 49. Let's see this once. 1 minus e power minus 3k equal to 50. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I'm taking this, let's leave it this side. If I'm taking this to this side, e power minus 3k equal to minus 49.
So
Is it?
minus minus let's cancel. No, no, no. It's minus 3k equals to log minus 49.
Let's do one thing. Else, if we see from this equation,
Sir, we can do one more thing, sir.
what it is?
We can take log on both side. After that, left hand side would become minus 3k times log e, and log e will be 1.
But here also log to the base c we have left.
So
We are left with
we left with same problem.
t minus 50 e power minus kt is equal to 99 minus 99 e power minus 3k from this equation. So no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now what happens if I'm taking this 99 to this side? What happens then? 99 e power minus 3k minus 50 e power minus kt is equal to 99 minus 50 is 49.
Yes, sir.
Is 49. Now we have an equation and we have two unknowns. No, there is some problem here. Just give me a second here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everything is perfect. 50 is equal to, wait, uh, wait, 50 is equal to 1 minus e power minus 3k. If you see this equation, is
Yes, sir.
equal to 1 minus e power minus kt into 100, right?
Yes, sir.
So this should become into 100.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood? We have, since it is in percentage, 50 is in percentage, we have it in 100, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Theta is in percentage. So here we have 100. The same 100 we should have here as well.
Yes, sir.
So now when I bring this 100 to the left side, what happens now?
0.5.
50 by 100 is 0.5 is equal to 1 minus e power minus 3k. Now, if I'm taking this e power minus 3k to left side, e power minus 3k is equal to 1 minus 0.5. How much is it? 0.5.
Yes, sir.
Minus
0.5.
3k is equal to natural logarithm or log to the base e of 0.5. How much is it?
Minus 0.693.
Minus 0.693. From this,
Divided.
how much is k?
Sir,
Minus and minus get cancelled.
minus, sir, plus 0.023. Plus 0.231.
0.231. But here the time is in minutes. Therefore, the unit of k will be
A minute.
per minute, if I'm right.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It will be in per minute.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir, this K is only constant, na?
the k is always constant.
So, sir, it won't be having any unit.
It won't change.
Okay, sir.
What are you asking me? It won't be
Sir,
having.
it won't be having any unit if it is a
Constant
constant.
always have units. We
Okay,
can't
sir.
say constant never have units. That can't be inferred like that.
Okay, sir.
It can't be inferred like that. Constant
Sir.
may have units, may not have units. We can't say like it like that.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So here from this, what we have is K we got, right? So
Yes, sir.
now let's substitute in the second equation. 99 is equal to 1 minus e power minus k t into 100. In this, let's substitute k is 0.231. From this, tell me the answer of t. You'll be getting in minutes because k is 0.231 per minute.
So minus 19.935.
We don't be getting minus.
Yes, sorry, sir. Minus gets cancelled. So the
19.93.
19.935.
19.93 minutes will be our answer.
Yes.
Let's move to the next problem.
Okay, sir.
Now, if we see, let's do some other problems. Yes, let's do this. Can you read the question? See, I'm reading out the question. Chlorine gas uh, in that is 8 milligram per liter as Cl2 was added to a drinking water sample. If the free residual and pH was measured to be 2 mg per liter, as am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As free residual is 2 mg per liter and pH is measured as 7.5 respectively. What is the concentration of OCl minus ions in water? Assume that chlorine gas added to water is completely converted to HOCl and OCl minus. Weight of Cl is 35.5 gram actually. Given H plus give rise to HOCl, I will tell it to you. There is some mistake in this. K
Sir.
equal to 10 power 7.5.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now, let's see this. See, H2O, chlorine gas is added to drinking water sample. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
H2O plus Cl2 give rise to HOCl plus HCl. Understood?
Sir.
This is the actual equation. I'm telling again. H2O, that is water, when we are adding chlorine in the form of gas, it give rise
Sir.
to HOCl, hydrochlorous acid, and
And
HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay.
yes. Yes,
And
sir.
some portion of HOCl will be decomposed into H plus hydrogen ion and OCl minus hypochlorite ion. Hydrogen
Yes, sir.
ion and hypochlorite ion. That is what
Yes,
the
sir.
equation states. Okay. Now,
Okay.
every equation is followed by a reaction. Every reaction is followed by a constant,
Yes,
reaction rate constant. Okay.
sir.
That reaction rate constant, I can say it is K equal to H plus into OCl minus upon HOCl. Is it a dissociation reaction or association reaction? Tell me.
Association, sir.
Dissociation, right? Because HOCl is dissociating. HOCl is
Yes,
the compound which is dissociating into
H
hydrogen
positive
ion and
hydrochloride.
hypochlorite ion. So, therefore, I call it as KD. Okay. That
Yes, sir.
generally will be the order of 10 power minus 7.5 mole per liter.
Yes, sir.
Now, if we take association reaction, this is quite opposite to this. Therefore, association reaction constant will be like this. HOCl upon H plus OCl minus, that will be 10 power 7.5 moles per liter.
Yes, sir.
Now, is it KD or Ka then?
Sir, K, sir.
It is Ka. Yes, it is Ka.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the concentration of residual OCl minus ions? He is asking us.
Yes, sir.
In order to do this, now I want residual OCl minus I want. Okay. How
Yes.
much is the chlorine we are adding actually?
8 milligram per liter.
8 milligram per liter. And free residual chlorine, out of added chlorine, 2 milligram per every liter is left as residue, free residual chlorine. Always
Yes.
do remember one point. Free residual chlorine is always responsible for disinfection.
Yes, sir.
Free residual chlorine is always responsible for
Disinfection.
disinfection.
Yes, sir.
Free residual chlorine is always responsible for disinfection. Next, let's see the reaction. That is HOCl give rise to H plus plus OCl minus. Now,
Yes, sir.
what is pH given to us?
7.5.
pH is given to
Sir.
us as 7.5.
Yes, sir.
pH we have it as 7.5.
Yes, sir.
Now, just give me a minute here. We'll do this. pH is equal to 7.5. pH is equal to 7.5. Yes, there is some problem. Wait.
Yes.
Okay, listen. pH is equal to 7.5. Am I audible to you now?
Yes, sir.
No, what's the formula for pH? pH is equal to
Minus log.
minus log H plus. So H plus is, can I say 10 power 7 minus 7.5
Yes, sir.
mole per liter?
Yes, sir.
10 power minus 7.5 mole per liter, that we got it as H plus. And
Yes, sir.
we also know Ka. Ka is how much given to us? 10 power 7.5 is equal to HOCl upon H plus, we know now,
Yes, sir.
10 power minus 7.5 into OCl minus. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
From this, HOCl upon OCl minus, if I require, how much it will be? It's 10 power 7.5 into 10 power minus 7.5. How much is it?
10 power 0 1, sir.
It's 1.
Yes, sir. 1, sir.
It's 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is, what can I say now? HOCl is equal to OCl minus.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to OCl minus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear till this point?
Yes, sir.
Now, HOCl is equal to OCl minus. Here, HOCl, OCl minus, both combinedly, I can call it as free residual chlorine. What it is?
Free residual chlorine.
Free residual chlorine. So, in this free residual chlorine, both are equal. What is the total free residual chlorine we have?
2 milligram per liter.
So, no, but what are we asked? Now, what I can write? HOCl, OCl minus, combinedly how much it is? 2 milligram per liter. But
Yes,
both
sir.
are equal. So instead of HOCl, can I write OCl minus?
Yes, sir. 2
Can I
times.
replace it with it? OCl
Yes.
minus equal to 2. So twice OCl minus is 2 mg per liter. How much is OCl minus then?
1 milligram per liter.
1 milligram per liter. Now, but I don't want in mg per liter. I want in moles per liter.
Yes, sir.
So that is, how are you adding chlorine? As Cl2?
Yes, sir.
As Cl2, right? So now,
Yes, sir.
1 mole is nothing but its molecular weight in gram. 1 mole is nothing but its molecular weight in
Gram.
gram. We know 1 mole is nothing but its molecular weight in gram. Now, OCl minus is 1 milligram per liter. 1 mole is nothing but its molecular weight in gram.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
10
what
power
is the
minus
molecular weight of Cl2? Cl is
7.
35.5. Cl2 means
35.5 into 2.
how much is
Sir, 71.
71? But it is in grams, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But we have here in milligram per liter. So 71 grams is how many milligram?
71 into 10 power 3 milligram.
Milligram. So 1 mole as Cl2 means 71 into 10 power 3 milligram.
Yes, sir.
How many moles? Because we want here the conversion from milligram to mole, not from mole to milligram.
1 by 71 into 10 power minus 3.
1 by
Or,
71 into 10 cube. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
What is 1 by 71? Can you tell me the value of 1 by 71?
0.014.
1408. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
0.01408. 0.01408. That's in which units? Moles, if I'm right.
Yes, sir.
Now, we have the concentration in 1 milligram per liter. What I want in mole per liter. So, that is how much will it be? Tell me. 0. Instead of 1 milligram, I am substituting 0.01408 into 10 power minus 3 moles per liter we have. Yes or
Per
no?
liter. Yes, sir.
So that means, but here every answer we have it in 10 power minus 5.
Yes, sir.
So that is what I can say. It is 1.408 into 10 power minus 5 moles per liter.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
One. Yes, sir.
1.408 into 10 power 5 moles per liter.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Now, completed.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move forward?
Yes, sir.
We'll do some questions on quality of water first. Then we will do the things on BOD.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, let's do this. A sample of water has a pH of 9.25. What is the concentration of hydroxyl ions? What is pH?
Minus log base 10
Minus
H.
log H plus base 10. That is 9.25. pH is 9.25. H plus is 10 power minus 9.25 mole per liter. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Minus if you take to this side, it's 9 point minus 9.25. If I'm taking anti-log, it becomes 10 power minus 9.25 moles per liter. But are we
Yes, sir.
asked the concentration of hydroxyl ions or
Hydroxide.
hydroxyl ions? We
Yes, sir.
know H plus into OH minus. H plus is hydrogen ion. OH minus is hydroxyl ions. That is 10 power minus 14. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In this, you have H plus as 10 power minus 9.25. What is OH minus? A power x into A power y equal to A power x plus y. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, here you have 10 power minus 9.25. What is OH minus? 10 power minus
10.
4.75
Yes, sir.
moles per liter. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
10 power minus 4.75. Again, I have the same problem. I don't know why is this happening.
What happened, sir?
It got stuck. Just I require a minute. Meanwhile, what to do is convert, check with the answers, convert it to milligram per liter. Listen, it's 10 power. Just give me 1 minute, please.
Yes,
Okay. I hope you can see my screen, right?
yes, sir.
We got it as 10 power minus 4.75 moles per liter. Do we have it in our answer?
10 power minus 4.75. Yes, sir.
10 power minus 4.75 moles per liter I'm talking about.
No,
Do we
no,
have it
no,
in our answer?
no, sir.
We don't have it, right?
Yes,
We
sir.
don't have it. So, what shall be our answer then? Tell me. So, see, first this option is eliminated.
Yes, sir.
This option is eliminated, and this option is also eliminated because it's not moles per liter; it's millimole per liter. M mole
Yes, sir.
stands for millimole per liter. So, our option should be in between either C or D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means what we need to understand is we need to convert from moles to milligram. We
Yes,
just
sir.
have discussed 1 mole of any substance means its molecular weight in grams.
Yes, sir.
So 1 mole of OH minus means what is the molecular weight of OH minus in gram? Tell me. Oxygen
10,
is 16, hydrogen is 1. 16 plus 1,
17.
17 grams. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But 17 into 10 cube milligram. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, uh, so actually OH minus we got it as 10 power minus 4.75 mole per liter.
Yes,
But
sir.
now instead of mole, let's substitute this one 17 into 10 cube milligram. That is 10 power minus 4.75 into 17 into 10 cube. Instead of mole, I can write milligram per liter. Now, what is the answer?
Sir, 0.302
0.302 units is
milligram per liter.
okay. Shall we move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Let's do this question. Here you need to remember this EQ by L that refers to milli equivalent per liter. Okay. For a
Yes, sir.
sample of water with ionic composition shown in the figure, the carbonate and non-carbonate hardness are how much? Okay. We have Ca++, Mg++, Na+, HCO3 minus, SO4 minus, minus. Okay. Now, how do we get CH and NCH? First, we get CH and NCH based on total hardness and total alkalinity. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the formula for total hardness? Ca++ in mg per liter into molecular weight of, or else
Yes,
equivalent weight of
CaCO3,
yes CaCO3 he given equivalent weight of CaCO3 upon equivalent weight of
Ca2
Ca++.
positive.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, Mg++ in mg per liter into equivalent weight of CaCO3 upon equivalent weight of Mg++. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So how much is calcium in mg per liter?
0 to 4.
Calcium is ranging from 0 up to 4.
4, sir.
4, but what is the unit then?
Milli equivalent per liter.
Milli equivalent per liter. So what I
Yes, sir.
can say here is, instead of EQ,
Yes, sir.
we can substitute its equivalent weight.
Okay, sir.
So what I can write 4 into what is the equivalent weight of calcium? Molecular weight of calcium is 40.
40.
40 equivalent weight is 40 divided by the valency. What is valency? 2,
20, sir. 20.
20. So it becomes mg per liter.
Yes, sir.
It
80 mg.
becomes 80 mg per liter. So calcium I got it as 80 mg per liter into equivalent weight of CaCO3. How much it is? You need to
Sir,
remember it is 50.
50.
50 divided by equivalent weight of Ca++ is how much?
Sir, 20, sir.
20 plus equivalent weight of Mg++ means similarly Mg++ is how much? From 4 up to 5. How much is it?
1, sir.
1. But that is in MEQ per liter. Now
Yes.
equivalent weight of magnesium means molecular weight of magnesium is 24.
Yes, sir.
Equivalent weight is 24 by 2.
Yes, sir. 12.
12. So 12 mg per liter into 50 upon equivalent weight of Mg++ is 12.
12.
So how much is it then? 44, 450 is 200 plus
50.
150 is 50. It's 250 mg per liter as CaCO3. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
250 mg per liter as CaCO3.
Yes, sir.
So it's 250 mg per liter as CaCO3. We have it now. That's your total hardness. Now let's calculate total alkalinity. See, here alkalinity is caused by only HCO3 minus ions.
Yes,
Therefore, the
sir.
formula becomes HCO3 minus in mg per liter into CaCO3 equivalent weight
Yes, sir. Over equivalent
over
weight of it.
HCO3 minus equivalent weight.
Yes, sir.
Now, HCO3 is ranging from where to where? 0 up to.
3.5
So 0 to 3.5 is 3.5. That's in
into
milli equivalent per liter. And equivalent weight of HCO3 is how much? Valency is 1. So molecular weight and equivalent weight both remain same.
yes, sir.
Molecular weight and equivalent weight both remains the same then.
Yes, sir. Divided by 1.
So
1 plus carbon 12, oxygen 16. 28, 29, 29,
how much is it? Hydrogen is 1.
30, sir.
Hydrogen is 1.
Yes, sir.
Carbon is
Carbon
12. 1 plus 12 is 13.
29, sir.
Oxygen we have 3
Yes,
times 16. Yes or no?
sir.
Oxygen we have 3 times 16. Not
40,
1 times 16. Oxygen is 3 times 16.
sir. 49 plus 12, 59. 61, sir.
61, good. 61 mg per liter into CaCO3 equivalent weight is 50 and it is HCO3 equivalent weight is 61. Answer for this
3.5 times 50, 50 into 3.5. Sir, 175.
175 mg per liter as CaCO3.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? 175 mg per liter as CaCO3. Now
Yes, sir.
listen. Now listen. When
Yes, sir.
total hardness is greater than total alkalinity,
Yes, sir.
carbonate hardness is equal to total alkalinity, that is least value we can take.
Yes, sir.
Non-carbonate hardness is equal to the remaining. From
Yes, sir.
total hardness, remove total alkalinity.
Yes, sir.
If TH is less than, total hardness is less than total alkalinity, total hardness is less than total alkalinity. Therefore, carbonate hardness will be your total
Total hard.
hardness. NCH, non-carbonate hardness is equal to 0.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, tell me, which is the case we have? Total hardness 250, total alkalinity 175. So, which is greater?
Total hardness.
Total hardness is greater. Total hardness is greater. Total hardness is greater for us. Now,
Yes, sir.
what can I say is, when total hardness is greater, CH is equal to TA. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, CH is equal to how much? What is TA? Carbonate hardness is TA is
175.
175 and non-carbonate hardness is TH minus TA, that is
Sir, 2
250 minus 175, that gives you 75. So what's our answer?
175 and 75.
175 and 75.
Sir.
Understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Just give me a minute here. I'll once restart this one, not the system.
Power minus 2.
Okay, we have it 150, 1.55, or else we will do like this. Let's take 155 to the top. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's take it as equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 is what? 155 equal to L naught into 1 minus e power minus 4k. And equation 2 is what? 100 is equal to L naught into 1 minus e power minus 2k.
Yes, sir.
This is what. So now 155 by 100 is how much? 1.55. Is it?
Yes, sir.
That is 1 minus e power minus 4k upon 1 minus e power minus 2k. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I am taking this to this side. 1.55 minus 1.55 e power minus 2k is equal to 1 minus e power minus 4k.
Yes, sir.
Now let's do one thing. Without much hesitation, uh, let assume e power minus 2k is equal to x.
Okay, sir.
Then e power minus 4k is equal to x square.
Yes, sir.
So what happens is 1.55 minus 1.55. This is x.
Sir.
Yes or no? That is
Yes, sir.
1 minus this is x square.
Yes, sir.
Now what happens to the equation? Tell me. X square when it comes to left becomes positive. X square minus 1.55x. You
Plus
have
2.
1.55. When this 1 becomes to this side, that will become minus 1.
Yes, sir.
That is plus 0.55 equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Solve this and tell me the value of x.
Sir, sir, I don't know how to calculate this in a calculator, sir.
Okay. You practice it using YouTube.
Yes, sir,
Uh,
yes.
is from this we will be getting x is equal to 0.55.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Yes.
that is e power minus 2k is equal to 0.55. From this, e power minus 2k equal to 0.55 minus 2k equal to ln 0.55. What is ln 0.55? Tell me.
Sir, minus 0.597.
Minus
5,
0.597. Okay, that is minus 2k. What is k then?
sir, minus 0.298.
Minus 0. See, minus and minus had cancelled.
Sorry,
Yeah.
2.
Okay.
Yes,
K
yes,
never been minus. You do remember it, please.
yes. Okay, sir.
So the BOD rate constant is 0.298 per day. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move to the next question. Yeah. For a wastewater sample, wastewater can also be called as sewage. The
Yes, sir.
3-day BOD at 20 degrees centigrade, temperature is same. 3-day BOD at 20 degrees centigrade is 200 mg per liter. Okay. And BOD rate constant 0.22 per day.
Yes, sir.
5-day BOD should be how much? Y5 is equal to how much? Can you do this?
Sir, Wi-Fi equals
I'll
to
help you in this.
Y
Y3
naught
equal to L naught into 1 minus
power minus k minus 3k.
10 power minus kt. Why 10 power minus kt? I'll tell you. When, or else do one thing. Don't get confused. Take e power minus kt itself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, you know 200 is equal to L naught. 1 minus e power minus k is 0.22. into T is how much? 3 days.
Yes.
From this, calculate L0. Okay. After
Sir,
that, you have Wi-Fi equal to L0 into 1 minus e power minus k into T. K remains same. T becomes 5. L0 you will be getting from this. Tell me the answer. Hmm. Hmm.
sir, 413.95. Sir, is it 413.95?
What is 413.95? Is it
L not, sir.
L naught? Okay. L naught is 413.95. Then
Sir, 827.72.
L naught is 413.95, right?
Yes, sir.
L naught we got is 413.95 mg per liter. And now if we are substituting 413.95 into 1 minus e power minus k is minus 0.22 into 5. Okay. So that is 1 minus e power of minus 276 is the answer.
276. Okay, sir.
276.16. Always this value is less than 1. Then we will be getting a value less than always. You do remember like this.
Yes, yes.
Any BOD value is not greater than ultimate BOD.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any BOD value is not greater than ultimate BOD.
Yes, sir. Yes. Which I was getting was greater than L naught.
Yeah, the one which you are getting is greater than L0.
Yes. If I'm calculating the whole term by calculator, then it is getting it is get there is some mistake taking place, but when I'm doing it by taking a part by part, then it is getting a right answer.
Yeah, take it part by part then.
Yes, if I'm
Take
taking
it
part.
one part at a time. Because that does not lead to mistakes, right?
Yes, sir.
Take it one part at a time so that it will not lead to any mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do the next problem. Yeah, do this. Do this.
Yes, sir. Wi-Fi by Y. Shouldn't be. Okay. Let's see. Minus Sir, I'm getting one equation.
What is that?
1
For a
minus
given water sample, yeah, first please tell me what you got. Sorry.
Sir, we are given a ratio of 5 day BOD and ultimate BOD.
That is,
Mm,
we are given like this. Am I right?
yes, a 0.68.
That is,
After,
can I write Wi-Fi equal to 0.68 times L naught?
yes, sir.
But we
Ultimate
know
BOD.
the equation for Wi-Fi. What it is? L naught into 1 minus e power minus k into t is 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, my dear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Can I cancel out L naught and L naught?
yes, sir.
So what we will be getting is 0.68 is equal to 1 minus e power minus 5k.
Yes, sir.
So when I'm taking, we will discuss your doubt also. Don't worry. Okay.
Sir.
When I'm taking it to the left side, e power minus 5k is equal to 1 minus 0.68. That is 0.32.
Yes, sir.
From this, if I'm applying natural log, that gives you minus 5k is equal to ln 0.32. How much is ln 0.32, ma?
Sir, minus 1.139.
Minus 1.139. So k equal to how much, ma? Minus minus get cancelled. 1.139 by 5. How much is it?
So 0.0227.
0.227
227.
per day.
Yes, sir.
This is what we want. Always do remember, K will be zero point 0.1 per day, zero point 0.2 per day, zero point 0.3 per day, in that range only. It does not exceed that. Practically, I'm telling you.
Okay, sir.
BOD rate constant practically will be in the range of 0.1 per day, 0.15, 0.2, 0.2225, like that only.
Yes, sir.
It
Okay,
will
sir.
never exceed that actually.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now you tell me where you got stuck.
Sir, I was doing like I got equation. Um,
Mm-hmm.
Instead of taking ultimate BOD L naught, I took
Mm-hmm.
it as YT and
Okay.
applied formula for YT equals to L naught 1 minus e power minus kt. And
Yes.
after
Right.
that, after that I got an equation 1 minus e power minus
Then
5k
then
equals
you
to.
should have substituted. Then you should have substituted. Wha- See, okay, I understood what you are writing. You have written this equation. Am I right? Yt equal to L naught into 1 minus e power minus kt.
Yes,
You have
sir.
written this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what we do is, if you written this, y5 equal to, if I'm taking this to this side, y5 equal to 0.68 L naught. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what we write is, instead of Wi-Fi, we need to write 0.68 L naught equal to L naught into 1 minus e power minus kt, which simplifies our things.
Yes, sir.
L
Okay, sir.
naught get cancelled, we will be getting k value easily.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
That means, especially in BOD problems, my
Yes, sir.
suggestion is 100% you will be getting one question on BOD. Okay.
Yes,
In BOD
yes.
problems, my suggestion is be more focused on calculation.
Okay, sir.
On calculate, because yesterday, see, the calculations are not this complex. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here the concepts are simple, but the calculations are complex.
Yes, sir.
So please be prepared. Please practice while doing this.
Okay, sir.
Shall we do one more problem?
Yes, sir.
One more problem of a different model. Uh,
Yes, sir.
let's do this. Let's do this. I'll explain you. See, L naught is given. Ultimate BOD of a wastewater sample is estimated as 87% of COD. Is estimated as 87%. That is 0.87 of COD. Okay. What is COD value given to us?
300 milligram per liter.
So what is 0.87 into 300? First tell me the value.
261.
261 mg per liter. Considering first order BOD reaction rate constant K, use natural log K equal to 0.23 per day. What he given? Simple. K equal to 0.23 per day. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Temperature coefficient theta equal to 1.047. Okay. The BOD value after 3 days at 27 degrees. Actually, we are talking Y5, Y3 like that. But that means BOD after 5 days at
At
20
20.
degrees centigrade. The temperature always is constant. Are you understanding my point?
Yes, sir.
K is 0.23 per day at what temperature?
20 degrees Celsius.
At 20 degrees centigrade, my dear. But here what happened? 3 days of incubation at what temperature is done?
27 degrees Celsius.
27. So that is, we need to find the K value at 27. So K27 is equal to, we have a formula. K at any required temperature is equal to K20 into theta power T minus 20.
Okay.
What is the formula? K at any required temperature, KT equal to K20 into theta power T minus 20. So, K at 27 is equal to, what is K20 we have? K
Point two.
default means K20 only.
Yes, sir.
So, that is
Point.
0.23 into
uh,
theta is how much?
Theta is 1.047.
Even if theta is not given, you need to take theta is 1.047 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If they
Okay,
give
sir.
you theta as 1, take 1. But if they don't give you theta, take it as 1.047.
Okay, sir.
What is T? 27. 27 minus 20 is 7.
7.
Tell me the answer.
0.317.
Per day. Units.
Yes, sir. Per day.
Units are per day.
Yes.
Now, K27 you got. What is the BOD value? After 3 days, that is Y3 at 27 degrees centigrade. That is L naught into 1 minus E power minus K is how much?
Sir,
0.317 into T. How much is the time? 3
3 days.
days. L naught is how much? 261. Calculate and tell me the answer fast. No, no, don't worry. Don't make it fast. You just make it correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I don't want you to make it fast. I want you to make it properly.
Yes, sir.
One thing is sure, the value is less than 261. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good luck. Tomorrow we start with transportation engineering. I'm telling
Yes,
you,
sir.
after geotech and environmental, you find transportation very easy.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Even in comparison to geotech corals, in comparison to environmental, in comparison to structural analysis, such classes, we will be finding transportation as very easy, I'm telling you.
Yes, sir.
Because transportation engineering, the problems are like you remember the formula, put the formula, substitute the values, get the answer.
Yes, sir.
First, calculate e power. See, I'll tell you. Type e in the calculator, take power symbol, open a bracket. In the
Yes,
bracket,
sir.
type minus 0.317 into 3. You'll be getting some answer.
Yes, sir.
Store it aside or else write it aside. Then do 1 minus that answer. You'll be getting some value. Multiply that into 61. You'll be getting the exact value.
Sir, 160.16.
Yeah, it's 161 approximately.
Yes, sir.
161 mg per liter.
Yes, sir.
So shall we stop here for today, tonight?
Yes, sir.